हाथों ना
Religion.
Joining meeting timeout. Oh.
Very important.
Welcome, children. Welcome.
Very important topic in our English grammar practice book. So get ready, children. As you know, of transformation. Okay, it is a transformation. It is a kind of change. Active form
सतीश गाना मत गाओ।
Keep quiet, dear children. It is a change. Okay. It is a change in the form of a transitive word. Transitive a verb changes according to the subject and again it changes according to the object. Okay, so this change is called voice.
बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है।
Okay, it is
सर बोर्ड इज नॉट क्लियर।
बोर्ड क्लियर है।
It is clear. It is visible. It is changed in the. It is a change in the form of a transitive verb. Okay? Transitive verb changes its forms according to the subject and according to the object in two ways. It changes its forms in two ways. First, second passive, and this is called voice. Okay? According, if it changes, change according to the subject is change according to the subject. क्या है? What is it?
इनके बाद क्या है?
It is active voice.
सर प्लीज साइड।
See, it is active voice. Active change according to the subject. Change according to the subject is active voice. Example, see example. Madan eats fish.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
किसकी? मेरी?
सर आ रही है।
Yes, yes.
सर योर वॉइस इज क्लियर।
Madan eats fish. See, Madan is the. Yeah.
सर एक्टिव वॉइस के बाद क्या है?
सर एक्टिव वॉइस के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
Active voice है. Active voice.
सर एक्टिव वॉइस के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
ये कुछ नहीं है।
एक्टिव के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
Active voice finish. यहाँ से पढ़ो. Example of active voice is Madan eats fish. Madan is the subject. Eats This is
ये पापा कॉल है लेना तो बच्चों सब भी
object. Okay.
हेलो ना तो
The body is not clear.
Young ones. Young ones. Subject.
ये पता चल रहा है क्या लिखना है?
See, mother is the subject.
क्या?
Here we have and fish is the object here. So,
सर एक्टिव वॉइस के ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है?
what?
सर एक्टिव वॉइस के ऊपर
नहीं यार दिख रही है।
वो पूछ
सर एक्टिव वॉइस के ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है?
सब्जेक्ट के बच्चे हैं।
सर एक्टिव वॉइस के बाद क्या लिखा है?
रुको कुछ नहीं है it's nothing yes so it is active voice mother gives fish active voice now passive voice the passive voice of this word is what see the passive voice object comes first fish fish eat. This is the helping verb. Fish is eats into eaten. Fish is eaten by. So try to understand this example. The two examples. Try to understand these two examples. One is in the active voice and the other is in the passive voice. See how active voice changes to passive voice. Mother gives fish. Fish, the object comes first, take it first. The fish is it's into eaten. Okay. See, it changes to eaten. By we know that a preposition is used here by this is a preposition by and here is the
सर
subject.
ये 10 बाय के बाद क्या है?
Eaten by
सर
Madan.
10 बाय के बाद क्या है?
Eaten by Madan. Name.
मदन
Madan. So this is our active person. Try to understand it.
The fish is eaten by के आगे क्या है?
Madan.
मदन
मदन
Name is noun. That is the subject. Subject comes last. The object comes first. Okay? Inverts. The sentence in the active voice inverts in the passive voice. Object takes the place of subject and the subject takes the place of object which comes last in the passive voice. More examples. Some more examples let us see. He writes a letter. This is in the active voice. A for active voice. C. A for active voice. P for Passive voice. Change it into passive voice. Writes is the verb. Writes is according to the subject and tense. Now, if it changes into passive voice, or later comes first, or later and it, or later it. Helping verbs are used. Is, am, are.
Written by him.
Written by him. Yes. Written by him.
कहाँ लग रहा है?
मैं तो फालतू के बच्चा हम लोग भी किए हैं फालतू। कौन आकाश सिखाता है सब?
सर ऊपर में क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Passive voice.
इसके नीचे
A writes a letter. B a letter is written by him.
नहीं
क्या?
हाँ तो हो
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा, बोर्ड भी क्लियर नहीं है।
सर बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं। हाँ अब हो गई सर।
A letter is writing by him or not him?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Structure. What is the structure of the passive voice? Object plus helping verb plus verb in the third form plus by plus subject. This is the structure. Learn. This is the structure. Learn it. Okay. Here is the structure of the passive voice, children. Is it okay? Shivam Raj, Aryan. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Learn the structure.
Yes sir.
Because
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
and check it, try it out. All passive voice sentences are based upon this structure. Put the object first and then decide
Structure object plus HE plus 3 by plus subject.
HV for helping verb and the verb is in the third form. Okay. Next, by is our preposition for the subject. It is used before the subject and subject comes the last. Okay. This is our passive voice. Digest it. Try to grasp it, children. This is a very important, very significant topic which you must master it, understand it, because active as passive, this chapter, it will be, very beneficial for you. In the middle, when you are in the higher secondary section, okay.
Define for the econ.
This is going to help you a lot. Yeah. So master it, learn it, understand it. How to change active into passive and vice versa. Passive is also passive is also changed into active. Yes, you can change. See, a letter is written by him. So the active is he writes a letter. So active, passive, active. Vice versa. They interchange. Two voices interchange into each other. Okay, so now let us work out one exercise. Okay, change. See,
your connection is not available.
you are
सर कनेक्शन के साइड पे आपका रेड आ रहा था
जेल करने की
जो
मैं खरीदेगा आज
yes, bolo.
सर board is not clear. Continue writing.
I'm writing bigger letters.
So can you tell what?
एक ब्लैक
सर के स्क्रीन पर डबल टैप करोगी ना तो तुमको सर का क्लियर दिखेगा।
गेट
But it is in the past tense, simple past tense. So it changes as the gate was opened. Third form of open by him. See, active passive, passive active. Okay. Next, you sold the cars. See, you sold the cars. Here, our object is in the plural number. Don't forget it. So, it is as the cars were, because it is in the plural number. It is in the plural number.
Car was sold.
Sold, same sold.
The car was sold by him.
Is the helping verbs. Children,
which is a underdeveloped country,
helping verbs change from tense.
India, which is a developing country, which is also developed.
Cleaning, see again, a change of tense. They are cleaning the canvas. What is the tense?
The campus are being cleaned by them.
No. The
So you can see one side age is written 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 4 to 15, 90 ages are. This side and see population is given median.
Nana, 60 mute yourself.
This is the help.
Alright, now
No noise, children. No noise. The campus is clean. The Because the active voice here, because the active voice here is in the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. So according to it, we have to change the helping verb here. The campus is being cleaned. But for the main verb is always in the third form, in the passive voice. Some rules are there. Some rules are there. Okay?
Constitute yourself.
By them. See. They into they. They into them. Because if the subject is a pronoun, so the subject pronoun changes to object pronoun. I to me. He to him. He to her. They to them. We to us. So subject pronouns changes to object pronouns in the passive voice. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Mark all the changes.
Yes, sir.
Underline all the changes. Because in this topic, we learn many changes. Changes, परिवर्तन है. इसमें कुछ बदल जाता है ना?
नहीं, फर्स्ट को और है.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. एक्टिव पैसिव.
बने बहुत टाइम नहीं लगता.
Quiet children, quiet. Maintain order children. And remain attentive, remain focused. While the interaction is on, discussion is on, children. You are good children. You are very nice children. Okay, some more examples in different tenses. Change the helping verbs only. Okay.
हम लोग का समाधान क्या है?
He has broken my pencil. Has broken present perfect. Has broken present perfect. चलो कौन इसको पैसिव में चेंज करेगा? प्रज्ञा पैसिव में चेंज करो.
सर मैं
बोलो.
सर मैं a pencil is broken by him.
The pencil is being
Pencil is
broken by
broken
him.
by broken by he. A pencil is broken by him.
broken by
A
him.
pencil is broken by him. The pencil is broken by him.
My pencil is broken by his.
Pencil has broken by him.
अब मेरे एग्जाम्पल से, मेरे आंसर से मैच करो. मेरे आंसर से मैच करो तो my pencil has been. See the helping verb.
My pencil is broken by him.
No.
My pencil has been broken by him.
My pencil has been broken by
My pencil has been.
इंटरेक्शन के लिए मैंने
सब पागल है तो हम क्या करें, हम ऐसा चल रही है.
So my pencil has been why? Because our active voice is in the present perfect. Mind it. So in case Present perfect. Our helping verbs are has been or have been. Our helping verb is has been or have been. So my pencil has been broken. Third form, broken by See, अब कंपेयर करो, तुम अपने आंसर को मेरे आंसर से कंपेयर करो शिवम राज।
सर मेरा आंसर सही था।
So my answer is correct.
Yes.
So my answer is correct.
Correct.
Answer is not correct.
My uncle had
बंद था हमने किया देखो। हाँ
my uncle has got
हम सुबह गए तो बंद था।
Sir, what are you writing?
now change this one. My uncle
Two cars has
is
been
not
broken
clear.
brought by my uncle.
Two cars has been brought by my
uncle.
The two cars
Two cars has been brought by my uncle.
have been brought by my uncle.
Have been brought by uncle.
by my
Uncle.
uncle.
My answer is correct.
Yes. So match your answer. Match your answers with mine. Yes. So this is our passive voice. Assimilate it, digest it,
Black.
understand.
It's not clear.
The board is clear.
Now,
Sir, the blackboard is not clear.
now,
board is clear.
clear, clear,
The board is clear.
No, sir.
visible. Okay, check your understanding. Test yourself. Here are two examples, and you have to prove that, you have to show that you have understood passive voice.